Hello, this is Farshid with another video just for you. What I have here is a bathtub plumbing. This is our top spout with a diverter, and this is where our shower head goes. So the way this is supposed to work is that when we want water to go to the shower head, we pull on the diverter. Inside here there is a disc that seals a pipe that's similar to this, plugs up the pipe, therefore the water goes backwards into the pipe, goes up to the pipe behind the wall and comes out of our shower head. So the issue that we've discovered, and I've seen some YouTubes out there where other people have the same issue, is that when our diverter, the seal, wears because of hard water, because of the usage, some of the water travels past the seal. So if assume this is the seal, this is the diverter seal, past the seal and travels along the length of this pipe, hits this seal, and if there is a wear on the seal because the spout's been removed and reassembled, water passes that seal, gets through this hole and causes water damage behind the wall. So the solution that most people use is silicone grease, or rather silicone caulk, and they caulk the inside of this hole, make an attempt at sealing it. It's difficult to seal around this pipe, so what I've come up with that we've been using since 2017, and it works. So I want to remove this stuff here. This is a disc. It's a red disc, we call it. First version of it was in 2017, and there is a seal. The seal fits inside of this groove. The inside diameter of the hole that fits over the pipe is very snug, and I'll show you. Fits nice and snug around the pipe. Okay. Now to seal around the pipe, this seal, the inside diameter of the seal is slightly smaller than the outside diameter of our 1/2-inch pipe. So grabs it nice and snug. And typically what we do is we use some silicone grease and we push this back toward our red disc with a small flathead screwdriver. We push the seal into our disc. Now we have a perfect seal. So if this seal fails because the spout's been removed and this seal that's in here wears because of hard water or because of just normal wear and tear, this is our last line of defense, which works perfectly. So there you have it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what you see out of this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in these red discs, send me a message and I will respond to you. Thank you for watching.